Hello, my dear students of class 6. Dear students, today this video will help you to solve the question answer of chapter 5. Dear students, come to these questions as given in your book. And dear student, you are advised to take the books and copies from the school because the time is going on and the syllabus that we are covering this by the mode of the online teaching. So therefore you have to collect the copies and books from the school positively. तो प्यारे बच्चों, मुझे आशा है कि आप ठीक ठाक होंगे और चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन की चैप्टर 5 एंड दैट इज द सेपरेशन ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस। तो इस साइंस के इस क्लास में बच्चों आपके बुक में जो लास्ट में असेसमेंट दिया हुआ है, इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एमसीक्यू and this MCQ that you have to solve it. Come to question number 1. Dear student, this question number 1, which you can read here, that the property used in separating a mixture of two solids by winnowing is, that is the answer number A. Answer will be A, differences in size. And B, that is the differences in weight. So answer will be the difference in weight. Winnowing means the heavily particles, they will be immediately settled down, while the lighter particles, they will be thrown out by the process of winnowing. Students, come to the next question, and that is, in modern time, threshing is done by number 1 hand, B tractor, C camel and buffalo, and D all of the above. So in the modern time, actually all these practices are in the practice, but the majorly the tractors are using the peoples are using the tractors for the process of threshing nowadays. So the majority is the tractor. So answer will be the tractor. Tractors are the resource for the threshing in the modern time. Dear student, come to the question number 3, and this question, the method commonly used at homes to separate pebbles from rice, pulses, etc. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो चावल और दाल वगैरह से जो कंकड़ निकालते हैं, तो वो किस प्रोसेस से निकालते हैं। तो इसमें जो आंसर होगा आपका वो होगा हैंड पिकिंग। तो जनरली घरों में आपके जो पेरेंट्स हैं, मदर हैं, सिस्टर हैं, ये सब लोग जो है चावल और दाल से जो कंकड़ निकालते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हैंड पिकिंग। 4, commonly used chemicals for loading is, that is the alum. The alum, when alum get loaded, then there will be the extraction of the particles that is going to be settled down. And come to next, that is the question number 5. Solubility of a solute increases with, and options will be the increase in temperature. It means if you take the 1 teaspoonful of the sugar into the glass of water, and that gets mixed with that water, but further if you take the 100 gram of that sugar in that particular water, then that will be not mixed. Then if you increase the temperature if you increase the temperature, if you give the heat, if you give the temperature to that particular solution, then the solute will be miscible and the solubility of solute will increase it. It means the answer will be the increase in the temperature. Dear student, come to this one, that you might have observed the preparation of ghee from butter and cream at home. Some methods of separation are given below. So number 1, evaporation, number 2, decantation, number 3, filtration, and number 4, churning. So the preparation of ghee from butter, that comes under the so the processes involved in this, that is the decantation and churning. So second and fourth, this answer C will be the right answer. Decantation means, churning means the collection of the butter. Then when it get heated, then the ghee will be the solid material that get settled down means decantation process is there, and after that you can get the ghee. So answers number C, that options are second and fourth. In an activity, a teacher dissolved a small amount of solid copper sulfate in a tumbler half filled with water. Which method would you use to get back solid copper sulfate from the solution? So solid copper sulfate that will be obtained by the process of this solid copper sulfate in a tumbler half filled with water. That will be the process of evaporation, because the students, this evaporation, when the evaporation takes place, the water gets evaporated and that solid copper sulfate that will be obtained. So come to next question, that is question number 8. Paheli brought some vegetables such as French beans, lady fingers, green chilies, brinjal and potato. He taken from the market and mixed that all mixed in the bag. Which of the following method of separation would be the most appropriate for her to separate them? तो कौन सा मेथड लगेगा इसमें? विनोइंग है, थ्रेसिंग है, सीविंग है, हैंड पिकिंग है. तो इसमें होगा हैंड पिकिंग. द आंसर विल बी हैंड पिकिंग. अपने हाथ के द्वारा सारे मटेरियल को एक एक करके अलग करेंगे. दैट विल बी द हैंड पिकिंग. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Bujo's grandmother is suffering from diabetes. Her doctor advised to take lassi with less fat content. Which of the following methods would be the most appropriate for Bujo's to prepare it? तो लस्सी बनाना है लेकिन वो फैटलेस हो. इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? The process of churning has to be adopted, because the process of churning extract the fat from that curd, and the thin content of the curd that will be very suitable for that her grandmother. So the answer will be churning. This question number 9, C. Dear student, come to question number 10. Which of the following mixtures would you be able to separate? You will be able to separate using the method of filtration? So that will be the answers are oil in filter, salt in water, cornflakes in milk, and sugar in milk. So cornflakes and in milk, that will be the that gets separated by the process of filtration. Now come to 11. Which amongst the following methods would be most appropriate to separate grains from the bundles? तो डंठल जो होता है क्रॉप का, उससे जो फूड ग्रेन्स निकालते हैं तो किस मेथड से निकालते हैं? विनोइंग, थ्रेसिंग, हैंड पिकिंग, सीविंग. So my dear student, there will be the threshing. Threshing, the method threshing separates the grains from the chaff, from the bundles of the chaff. Now 12. 4 mixtures are given below: kidney bean and chickpeas, pulses and rice, potato wafers and biscuits, rice flakes and corn. So which of these can be separated by the method of winnowing? So winnowing, that is the answer will be the third and fourth. Third and fourth, and answer will be this. Answer will be D. Potato wafers and biscuits and rice flakes and corn. Question number 13. While preparing chapatis, Paheli found that the flour to be used was mixed with wheat grains. Which out of the following is the most suitable method to separate the grains from the flour? So now let us see threshing, winnowing, sieving, and filtration. So grains from the flour that get filtered by the process of sieving. So answer will be the sieving. And dear students, during summer, Bujo carries water in a transparent plastic bottles to his school. One day he left. एक दिन उसका बॉटल जो है स्कूल में भूल जाता है. दूसरे दिन जब देखती है तो उसके बॉटल के इनर सरफेस पे, एम्प्टी पोर्शन पे, कुछ ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वाटर दैट वे आर सीन. सो फॉर्म ड्यू टू द, किसके कारण हो सकता है? तो ये हो सकता है इवेपोरेशन एंड कंडेंसेशन. द आंसर विल बी सी. आंसर विल बी सी, इवेपोरेशन एंड कंडेंसेशन. मतलब टेम्परेचर बढ़ा दिन के टाइम में तो वो इवेपोरेट हुआ वाटर, फिर कंडेंस होकर के वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स पे उस पर देखा जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. पहली आस्क्ड फॉर ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम बुजो. ही गेव हर ए ग्लास ऑफ आइस कोल्ड वाटर एंड सम वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑन द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ द ग्लास. मतलब ग्लास के ऊपर ठंडा पानी जो रहता है चिल्ड, तो ग्लास के ऊपर जो है वो पानी की बूंदें इकट्ठी हो जाती हैं. एंड हाउ दिस ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वाटर फॉर्म्ड. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शुड बी द बुझोज आंसर. तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा? सो आंसर विल बी डी, दैट इज द कंडेंसेशन ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर वेपर. जो एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर वेपर होगा वो उस पर आकर कंडेंस कर जाता है. दैट विल बी द आंसर. Dear student, come to this true and false second block. And in this block, a pure substance has a fixed boiling and melting point. Pure substance has a, this will be the true. It will be true. second will be false, third will be false. So this one, that salt can be separated from the salt solution by sedimentation. This is false. Soil is a pure substance. This is false. A mixture of sugar and tea leaves can be separated by separating funnel. This is false. Then mixture of oil and water can be separated by filtration. This will be again false. Then water can be separated from salt by evaporation. This is true. A mixture of wheat grains and wheat flour can be separated by sieving. This is again true. Come to this question, dear students, and this question number 8. A mixture of iron filling and rice flour can be separated by magnet. True. A mixture of wheat grains and rice flakes can be separated by winnowing. This will be the, I think, winnowing. False. This will be false. And come to this, a mixture of tea leaves and milk can be separated by decantation. False. This will be again false. Now come to this, filling the blank. Dear students, in this section, small pieces of the stone can be removed from rice by hand picking. Grains are obtained from stalk by threshing. Very good. Husk from wheat flour is generally removed by sieving. The next, the process of settling of heavier particles is called sedimentation. The filtration is helpful in separating insoluble solute from a solvent. So my dear student, you have to do it very carefully, and first of all, how you will do this book exercises, you have to take the book from the school, book and fair copies, etc., so that you can utilize your time. So thank you for watching this video, my dear students. This PDF will be sent to you in your group so that you can understand it. Dear student, in the question number 1, that is in the MCQ, that you have to correct the answer, that I will give the note. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. My dear students, you have to do the question answer. The question answers like the short answer questions, very short answer questions, long answer questions, some questions, giving the example of some questions that very short. Name 3 methods that can be used to separate solids from other solids. So, solid from other solid, that is the hand picking. Next is winnowing and the threshing. So these 3 methods are. Where is the sieving used? Sieving used for the separation of flour from the grain. What is the saturated solution? The saturated solution is a solution in which no more addition of the solute is possible. And for how can a saturated solution be made unsaturated? So the unsaturated solution can be made unsaturated by giving the heat, by increasing the temperature. Now question number 5, which method will you use to insoluble liquid? What is loading? Loading is the process in which the addition of heavier particles so that the lighter particles get settled down, get sedimented. So that is the loading. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process by which the fluid get evaporated in the form of the gas, in the form of the liquid. So dear student, you have to complete this assignment also, complete this question answer in the book as well as the question answer in your fair copy. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Good day.